Guys, this battery, it is used for an Activa bike, and this is a kind of for a 40 vehicle battery, and the model number is APBTs at 4L. Now, if you see, this charger of this battery, it's not coming around 12 volt, so it's almost in a dead condition, and for a quicker solution what we can do is like there is a amplifier board I have for it. I mean, this is generally used for the purpose of on the name boards, with a kind of a board which is kept in the street shops for lightning. That board will have a 12 volt output capacity which has a 16.84 amp. Basically we should not do with 16 amp charger for this battery. Generally this battery have an amp around 12 not sorry 7 amps only, 6 to 7 amps, close to that. But however, still for an emergency purpose you can use the 16.84 amp for doing the things. Let's check it out. We'll do for a charging, then we will see how long it's going to work. So this one, it has a the connections in this way, like this here you will have to connect this to 40 volt where it comes from the your main circuit board, and this is of line, this is neutral, and this one is of earth, and this is for two terminal. It will be there, one terminal for each one terminal you will find a 12 volt output, and this is the LED indicator. As soon as you switch on your line from the AC line, this will turn into a green, and this is an adjustment volt maximum of 12 to 13 volt you can keep it, and minimum of I think 10 volt it will come. Let's get connected, and I'll show you one time how it's working. So now I have connected the adapter with the battery. So of course negative and positive, and one negative line and one positive line, it will go to battery. And if you see the power fluctuations here, and you can able to see here 12 volt will be coming, so 11.83. okay, fluctuations will be there still, close to 12 volt it is coming now. And let's see, since it's 16 ampere, if it is 2 or 3 ampere, generally it will take 4 to 5 hours. Since it is 16 ampere, it is better we can take it as soon as possible. Otherwise the battery's distilled water will get corrupt, and will not work properly. So guys, now it's almost around 45 minutes this has been charged. Let's see how much volt it is there, and before that I'll disconnect this wire from the socket, then we'll go through how much volt it is giving. So I'm changing the multimeter into 20 volt since it's a 12 volt battery, and yeah, here you go. So if you see 12 volt is automatically coming, so which means that the battery is now fully charged and it is equipped to use it. So anyhow, thanks for watching.